Welcome to back my channel Car Crest. The 2025 New Holland Workmaster series continues the brand's legacy of delivering versatile, reliable, and affordable tractors tailored for diverse agricultural needs. Designed with both novice and seasoned farmers in mind, these tractors combine rugged construction with user-friendly features to enhance productivity across various tasks. Rugged design and fuel-efficient power. At the heart of the Workmaster series is a powerful, fuel-efficient 3-cylinder diesel engine. This engine not only ensures robust performance but also promotes fuel efficiency, allowing farmers to tackle demanding tasks without frequent refueling. The sturdy buckle-up driveline design, a hallmark of New Holland agricultural tractors, provides durability and longevity, ensuring the tractor remains a reliable partner for years. Comfort and accessibility. Understanding the importance of operator comfort, New Holland has designed the Workmaster tractors with a spacious operating platform. The open path to the padded seat ensures easy access, while the clutter-free design offers an unobstructed view, enhancing safety and precision during operations. Controls and pedals are ergonomically positioned, allowing for intuitive use and reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. Transmission options. To cater to varying user preferences, the Workmaster compact tractors offer a choice between a 12x12 synchronized shuttle transmission and a hydrostatic transmission. This flexibility ensures that operators can select a transmission that best suits their specific tasks and comfort levels, whether they prioritize ease of use or precise control. Model variations. The Workmaster series includes models like the 55, 65, and 75, each equipped to handle a range of tasks with the productivity of the 12x12 hydraulic power shuttle transmission and four-wheel drive. These models are available with the Workmaster Cab, and the Workmaster 75 also offers an open-air, flat-deck ROPS platform option. Hydraulic capabilities. High-capacity hydraulics are a standout feature in the Workmaster compact tractors. They deliver a dedicated flow of 8.2 gallons per minute (GPM) or 7.9 GPM for the Workmaster 25, ensuring efficient operation of implements like rotary tillers or cutters. The robust 3-point hitch lift capacity of 1,808 pounds allows operators to handle a wide variety of implements, maximizing working time and efficiency. Versatility and attachments. The Workmaster tractors are designed to be versatile workhorses on the farm. Operators can add loaders, rotary cutters, backhoes, blades, and more to increase productivity. The ample power and durable design make routine chores and ambitious projects easy to handle. In summary, the 2025 New Holland Workmaster series offers a blend of durability, efficiency, and comfort, making it a valuable asset for modern farmers seeking reliable machinery to meet their agricultural demands. For a visual overview and more detailed insights into the 2025 New Holland Workmaster, you might find the following video informative.